Just plating up some steak, mashed potatoes, along with the white beach mushrooms. Watch the last video to learn about these awesome mushrooms. Really beautiful, quite tasty. And we've got a nice garnish on the plate here too. Going to be adding just a touch of teriyaki glaze, as well as a sprig of fresh parsley. Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Learn about the mushrooms on the channel. Just search mushrooms, you'll find the recipe. Oh, it's gonna be good. So the first thing you notice is a beautiful block of mushrooms. It's a big chunk, and these have been cultivated indoors. I would suggest that you remove the bottom, the piece that's a little bit not as pretty or less edible, inedible possibly. Sometimes it can be tough, woody. So we want to remove that from all of these mushrooms. It's just a little bit right off the bottom like this, okay? The rest of this is all completely edible, and I will get this out of the way. That can be used in a stock, like chicken stock. This is the good part right here. Wow, look at these beauties. Woo. Okay, you want to break them into smaller pieces, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, or singles. But this is kind of what we're looking for right here. You can use your fingers or use your knife. Garlic just needs to be smashed and chopped. Fresh parsley. Oh, the mushrooms are looking really good. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of butter to finish these off. Made in USA, braided stainless steel. It's got a white nylon coating for comfort. This glove will last. I'm going to guess it will last you 10 to 20 years, using it heavily. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Visit the sponsor. Shop small and have a wonderful holiday season. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5" thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Thank you for check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow. I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah. Update your kitchen. Contact the sponsor for cutting edge blocks as seen on TV. In this video, I'm using the Kasumi titanium knife. Love it. This one's going on about 10 years. Just keeps going. Dragon fruit. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without a juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,